So today's project is gonna be a kitchen wall. It's been patched, and as you can see, it's ready to get painted. And we're gonna paint this with, the Magnum Project Painter Plus by Graco. And this one comes with, it's a 5-gallon project size, light project, 0.24 speed, supports 10 tips. It's got 50 supported maximum holes. So it's easier to use it, easy to clean. This could do projects such as walls, fences, small projects. But this is a great for household projects, as you can see it says here. We're gonna open it up, and it comes with 1-year warranty. So if you could actually buy one, you could actually extend your warranty too on this. And it's 10 times faster than the brush or roller. It's got a 3.8 HP horsepower engine. It also does paint, printer, latest paints, acrylic, enamel, primers, and it's got all kinds of stuff that you can use this with. See that? And the other thing, when you buy this, it comes with the paint gun. So we're gonna open this up and see what it's got. So I opened the box. It's got your papers to register it. Got nice instructions. If you have any problems, you can call this number. And here's basic instructions and setup. It's straightforward. How to spray it. It's got A and B and C. The power, the pressure, and you don't want to do something that's going to go fast and you have small projects. You could adjust it on the pressure. And then you got the setup and what tools you need. And you also need a bucket to drain it. And it's telling you need 2 buckets, which I've got 2 buckets ready to go. And it's got different languages you could actually use it with. That's the Magnum. There's a hose in here, and it's got look at this. This is extremely brand new out the box. I'm gonna take this off and let me show you how it looks. So here's stuff that was in the box, and I laid it down here so you guys can see it. And I see it comes with I think this thing is supposed to, when you're done you can wash it. They also saw this just to make sure it's all cleaned. And then it comes with the, I guess this is where you put the your paint bucket, and here's your attachment. Here's the gun. I guess it sprays that way with a nozzle, and then it's got a little knob here that I'm gonna see in the instructions. So before you do this, and then, you know what, it's not even heavy, it's kind of light. So I think we're gonna do a great project with this. And this thing looks stiff. So this thing looks really stiff. It's good. It's got, I guess you could set it on different styles of knob on that. And I think we're gonna attach this with this, I believe so. So we take this off. I think we take this off. And this is where you attach your spray gun in here. And this is, I'm gonna look at the instructions right now. I'm gonna put this together, and we're gonna paint this, make it look nice. And here's the instructions. Make sure you follow the instructions first, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna follow the instructions, and and I'm gonna show you how this thing paints. Okay guys, now I have my 2 buckets. I'm gonna drain it, I'm gonna prep it and get ready. See how I have it? One is for the drain, one is for the paint. So I put water in the 2 buckets, and then I'm gonna test it and then put the paint at last. So let's see how it does it. So that's what I got right now.